graders, we have been talking about the importance of wearing a mask. So for this activity, I'm going to ask a few questions, and you're either going to say, yes, it's true, or no, it's false. Okay, number 1 says, it's okay to touch my mask while I'm wearing it. Think about that, friends. It's okay for me to touch my mask while I'm wearing it. I'll give you 3 seconds, and then we'll say true or false. 3, 2, 1. Is it? Do we want to touch it, or do we want to touch the strings? Yeah. So is it true? No, that would be false, and that's okay. That tricked you. We don't want to touch it because it can get dirty. Okay. Okay, here's number 2. I'm the only person who can wear my mask. Think in your head. So if it's your mask, I'm the only one who can wear it. 3, 2, 1. That is true. Because you don't want other people wearing your mask. We don't share masks. Okay, number 3. I should keep my hands away from other people's masks. Think in your head. I should keep my hands away from other people's masks. 3, 2, 1. So this says I should not touch other people's masks. Is that true or false? 3, 2, 1. Is it, friends? I should keep my hands away from other people's masks. That's true. We don't want to touch other people's masks. That's true. Not false. Okay. Next, number 4. I can take off my mask if it's bothering me. Think in your head. 3, 2, 1. That's false. Yeah, you can't take off your mask. Okay, here is our last one. I should wash my hands before I touch my mask. 3, 2, 1. Yes. So the true ones are, you should only be the one wearing your mask. You should keep your hands away from other people's masks because they might be dirty. And you should wash your hands before you touch your mask. Okay, friends. We'll talk to you later. Bye.